Hello there, dear viewer. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you
a life hack.
It's a simple method to discover title or name of the anime video that you've been watching and asking the legendary question, what's the anime name? So the first step is to open up Instagram, find the video or post that you've been looking for to find out the details. Press on it, then press like and follow. Next step is to, while checking the video, look for an obvious scenes like this or this or this one. Then press like and follow. Afterwards, take a screenshot from the scene that you located in the video. Then press like and follow. After that's done, quit Instagram, open up gallery, find the screenshot, click on it, and what you're looking for is this icon down here that says share. You should already have it on your phone. If not, then well, goodbye. Press on share, scroll down until you find this logo of Google under it that says image search. Press on it. Then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. When the Google lens starts searching with the selected ratio, it's kind of hard for it to look at what you're exactly looking for. So I suggest start playing with the ratio and select the video instead of the whole thing. After a few struggles, it should show you the end result. If it didn't, I suggest you use another screenshot or go back and take another screenshot from the video and try searching it on the Google image search. Once it's all said and done, you should be able to see the anime name on your screen. If you want to look for more details about the anime, I suggest scrolling and start clicking on them. And that's it for this trick that I call Google image search. This is the method that I discovered myself a while back, and I tried to share it with people, but a few struggles here and there. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider like and subscribe, and I see you guys. Wait a second. We don't have subscribe here. Oh.